Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check the device model and compatible SIM size, then confirm the carrier APN you'll use. Insert an active data SIM and charge the tracker past half so it stays online during setup. Next, note the IMEI and default login credentials printed on the device or label. You will need them for registration. Once done, power the device on and place it near a window to get a clear GPS fix while you continue configuration. You now register and configure. Log into the vendor portal or send the SMS activation command using the IMEI and default password. Enter the carrier APN exactly as given. Incorrect APN prevents data. Then set the reporting interval, shorter for live tracking, longer for battery savings, and configure geofences, time zone, and preferred coordinate format. Make sure to add admin phone numbers for alerts and enable low battery and backup power notifications so you're informed when the unit needs attention. You finish by testing and securing the setup. Take the device for a short drive, then verify positions, timestamps, and speed on the tracking portal. Change default passwords, enable secure connections if available, and download the current device log for records. If the device won't report, check SIM data balance, ensure the APN matches carrier settings, reset the GPS and GSM antenna, and observe status LEDs for network and GPS locks. If problems persist, reboot the unit and rerun the activation SMS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.